Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to turn this fitted midi skirt into a two-piece outfit. This was such an easy and fun project to do. It only took me about 20 minutes to complete it, so it's very beginner friendly. So let's get into it. First, I put my skirt on like a dress with the waistband at the bottom and marked how long I wanted my top to be. I made mine 9 inches, but this measurement can depend on your preference, yours doesn't need to be the same. Next, I put the skirt on properly and measured 9 inches from the bottom to make sure the length of the new skirt would be where I wanted it. I measured this from the front and the side just to be completely sure it was the right length. Then I turned my skirt inside out and began marking 9 inches from the bottom. You will want to mark your measurement at different points across the skirt just to make sure that you create a straight line once you have connected them. While I was doing this, someone had to make sure that my work was up to scratch. I think he was happy with it. Then go ahead and cut across the line you have just created. You will now have your new top and skirt. I folded the top and skirt over to create a new hem, just to stop the fabric from fraying. And once this was done, you're ready to sew it. I used a zigzag stitch for this, as it was a stretchy fabric. However, a straight stitch would be just fine if you are hand sewing this. Once you have sewn all the way around your top and skirt, you have now finished this project. This is how it will look, and I was so happy with how this turned out. You could also wear the top and skirt with different outfits. As I've shown you here, I've paired the top with a pair of high-waisted black jeans just for a simple look, and I have paired the skirt with a black bodysuit to give this a different look. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.